Hey everyone, and welcome. The world of work is evolving at an incredible pace. With rapid advancements in AI, automation, and global connectivity, the skills that command high salaries are constantly shifting. If you're looking to future-proof your career, boost your earning potential, and stay ahead of the curve in 2025 and beyond, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 high-income skills that are in massive demand right now and will continue to be invaluable for years to come. Get ready to invest in yourself and unlock new opportunities. 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning expertise. First up, it's no surprise. Artificial intelligence and machine learning expertise. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's the engine driving innovation across every industry, from healthcare to finance. Knowing how to design, train, and deploy AI models, or even understanding their underlying principles, makes you incredibly valuable. Imagine yourself as a machine learning engineer, building the algorithms that power autonomous vehicles, or an AI researcher, developing the next breakthrough in intelligent systems. The demand for these specialized skills far outstrips supply, guaranteeing top salaries. 2. Data science and advanced analytics. In a world drowning in information, the ability to make sense of it all is gold. Data science and advanced analytics is about extracting meaningful insights from complex data sets. This involves skills in statistical analysis, programming like Python or R, and data visualization. Picture yourself as a data scientist, uncovering consumer trends for a major brand, or a business intelligence analyst, helping a company optimize its operations based on hard numbers. Companies pay top dollar for professionals who can turn raw data into actionable strategies that drive growth and efficiency. 3. Cybersecurity. As our lives become increasingly digital, the threat of cyber attacks grows exponentially. That's why cybersecurity is a high-income skill with unwavering demand. This field is all about protecting systems, networks, and data from digital threats. Imagine yourself as a cybersecurity analyst, defending critical infrastructure from hackers, or a security engineer, designing impenetrable digital fortresses. With the financial and reputational stakes so high, businesses are willing to invest heavily in experts who can safeguard their digital assets. 4. Cloud computing. The cloud isn't just a buzzword, it's the foundation of modern digital infrastructure. Cloud computing expertise involves designing, deploying, and managing applications and data on cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. Picture yourself as a cloud architect, building scalable and robust systems for global enterprises, or a DevOps engineer streamlining software deployment in the cloud. As more businesses migrate their operations to the cloud, professionals with these skills are indispensable for ensuring seamless, secure, and efficient digital operations. 5. Generative AI proficiency and prompt engineering. This is the cutting edge. Generative AI proficiency and prompt engineering is the art and science of effectively communicating with AI models to get the desired outputs. With tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion becoming mainstream, knowing how to craft precise prompts, fine-tune models, and integrate generative AI into workflows is incredibly powerful. Imagine yourself as an AI content strategist, leveraging AI to create marketing copy, or a prompt engineer developing new applications for creative industries. This skill is brand new but already commanding high salaries as businesses race to harness the creative power of AI. 6. Software development with a modern stack focus. While AI is growing, the foundational skill of software development remains incredibly vital, especially with a focus on modern stacks and AI integration. This involves programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and frameworks like React or Node.js. Picture yourself as a full-stack developer building complex web applications, or a mobile app developer creating the next popular smartphone tool. The ability to write clean, efficient code and build digital products from the ground up, often integrating AI services or cloud functionalities, ensures continuous high demand and excellent compensation. 7. Digital marketing and growth hacking. In an increasingly online world, businesses live or die by their digital presence. Digital marketing and growth hacking focuses on driving online visibility, customer acquisition, and revenue through various digital channels. This includes SEO, search engine optimization, paid advertising, content marketing, and data-driven strategy. Imagine yourself as a performance marketing manager, optimizing ad campaigns for maximum return, or a growth hacker, identifying unconventional ways to expand a brand's reach. The direct impact on a company's bottom line makes these professionals incredibly valuable. 8. User experience, UX, user interface, UI, design. A brilliant product is useless if people can't use it. User experience, UX, and user interface, UI. Design is about creating digital products that are not only beautiful, but also intuitive, enjoyable, and efficient to use. UX designers focus on the user journey and research, while UI designers craft the visual elements. Picture yourself as a UX/UI designer, making complex software feel simple or crafting delightful experiences for mobile apps. As digital interaction becomes central to everything, companies recognize that investing in great design directly impacts customer satisfaction and retention, making these skills highly prized. 9. Advanced project management, especially Agile Tech PM. Bringing complex initiatives to successful completion requires exceptional leadership and organizational skills. Advanced project management, particularly with methodologies like Agile or Scrum, is crucial in fast-paced tech environments. This skill involves planning, executing, and overseeing projects, managing teams, and mitigating risks. Imagine yourself as a senior project manager, leading cross-functional teams to launch a groundbreaking new product, or a technical program manager overseeing large-scale software development efforts. The ability to deliver projects on time and within budget makes these roles essential and highly compensated. 10. Complex problem-solving and critical thinking. Finally, while AI automates many tasks, the uniquely human skills of complex problem-solving and critical thinking are more valuable than ever. This involves analyzing situations deeply, identifying root causes, developing innovative solutions, and making sound decisions. Imagine yourself tackling an unforeseen business challenge or creatively navigating a crisis using logic and foresight. As AI handles routine tasks, the demand for individuals who can think critically, adapt to new information, and solve novel problems that AI can't yet address will only increase, making these truly future-proof and high-income attributes. Conclusion. There you have it. 10 high-income skills to learn in 2025. The common thread among them is their relevance in our rapidly advancing digital and interconnected world. Whether you choose a highly technical path or focus on vital, human-centric skills, investing in continuous learning is the best way to secure your financial future and thrive in the evolving job market. Start exploring, start learning, and start building the career you've always wanted. Outro. Which of these skills excites you the most? Are there any others you'd add to the list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs career inspiration, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on building a successful future. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your learning journey.